Hello friends, we are back, day one Rapid at the Prusa booth. I just spent a good hour talking with my friend Rudolph and my rep, David. Here is the Prusa Pro AFS. This is printing a very popular print here today. It's actually a holder for our entry passes. And it replaced the demo models intended for this entire machine because of its unexpected popularity. It just gave me one and I'm so happy with it. Let's see if you can see it. There it is right there. It holds our cards with our entry passes on them. And what this machine does is it actually will print, spit the plate out, and then replace the print bed with a new print bed. I don't know if I can catch it doing that. I might be a little off timing for that, but some of them look pretty close, so not sure. Here we go. Here we go.
Manufacturers typically fall short because of different gap assessment areas that seem to come across quality. One of them is access.
This machine is grabbing the print bed.
Machines or no access restrictions in regards to getting onto the network. Major concern.
It's a very precise process. It doesn't happen terribly quickly. So here it is removing the print bed.
But you gotta have a policy that's enforced in addition to the IT services that are being rendered.
It's going to move over here and it's going to install the print bed and then start the next print. When it's done, it'll pull that print bed out, replace it with a new print bed, and start the next print.
Those are things that just come up in the conversation, but are very, very important to the last one. Auditing and logging, not having a centralized log. And what that really means is taking a look at all the events that are taking place within your environment.
But
and
the idea is that this will handle
documentation of what's actually happening, the date, time, stamp of every single one of those issues. It also means how do you resolve those issues past that policy? You may enforce the reporting of it.
And there you go, the print bed has been placed. The print head is doing its thing, and this machine is going to move up, and it's going to remove this print bed to get that print off the machine into someone's hands on the back side of the machine. Let's see if we can go ahead and get to the other side and watch it put this back.
And the audit logging is very neutral to the presentation of evidence that we have to provide to the auditor.
Right now it's going to remove that print bed. It's a very gentle and precise process. There's no rushing. It's going to pop it up. It's going to slide some rails underneath there. It removes the bed uniformly all at once and backs it out. Let's go around and see if we can catch it. And there it is. Now someone can open this door right here, remove that plate, and the print is on that plate. And here are the spools behind each of those printers. We've got these big, gigantic 3-kilogram spools feeding into each machine. Actually, some of them are smaller spools and some are even larger spools. 2, 3, and that might even be a 5 right there.
How do you take care of what's there so no one else can see?